I am back and I'm just prepping my hair for braiding. I am so ready to get this done already, just getting started. Ew.
Hey guys, so I am doing a tribal braid tutorial today. I've been wanting to do these braids on myself for forever. I've been doing them in everyone else's head, and I'm like, I've been wanting to do it so bad, but I just never had the guts to do it because I just like, nowadays, I'm not really into sitting around and just like for hours doing my own hair. Ain't no small braids, ain't no nothing that's gonna take me more than 3 or 4 hours. And that's a long time. But I still have the patience like I used to, but we gonna get it done today. Okay? So tribal braids, and I will show you a photo, and I'll show you how I got it done. So stay tuned. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, honey. And I know you're gonna like it.
Let's get started. Yes. So let's get into it. I'm parting my hair in the back for my tribal braids. We're gonna do box braids in the back to give it a fuller look, and also so that my hair isn't being pulled at the back. This is Bobby Boss number 30 and 1B. I'm mixing them together because I hate when my hair gets messy with colored hair. Yes, hydrate, honey. I hate when I do colored hair and my hair overpowers it because my hair is so thick. It doesn't matter how much you tuck. You're gonna have to use a lot of hair to tuck my hair. I am getting my hair ready. So yes, number 30 and 1B. I am pulling on the end so it's not so blunt. And the video looks kind of different because I used time lapse to record it this time just to kind of see if I'd be able to slow it down good. That's the amount of hair that I'm pulling from the black and the blonde hair. And I'm mixing the two together so that it's a nice blend, and even if my hair gets messy, it just will blend in the black and the gold. Now, if it was just all the gold, when it gets messy, it would just look gross, and I'd have to really take it out. But this allows me to keep it in longer, because for me, it's always going to be a minimum of 30, a minimum of 3 weeks to keep any style in like this. As long as it takes me to do, I refuse to do it for a week or 2 weeks. I'd lose my mind. I'd be crazy. I'd be losing my mind if I do that. If I do that, smack me. I'm doing the box braids. I'm on that second row. And I am on the last braid for the box braids. I did 2 rows in the back. I've been wanting to do this style forever, but I finally got the nerve to do it. I'm so happy. It's just the most amazing style. I love it. It was quick only because I did them pretty big, medium size, because I'm not about to sit here and do baby braids in my hair. I'm just not doing it. I'm sorry. But that's how I set up the hair on my handy dandy hair separator, hair holder, whatever you'd like to call it. I'm using Shine and Jam on my edges. I'm not a big edge person, but when I'm braiding, I'd like to add it at least to the front to make it look as smooth as possible. So I have ping pong. I love this method even when I'm doing other people's hair because it gets the job done faster than me stopping every 2 seconds trying to part the hair for the next braid. So I do a braid on each side of the head so that I'm able to get done much faster. There's less stop and go. There's still stop and go, but not as much. Cuts my time in half. And I just love the mixture. I don't think I'll ever, I'll do all black, but it's just so much more fun to mix the hair. I think I'm gonna always mix my black hair with some other color just so that I can get the look, without actually having to, you know. I really do wish I could move this fast in real time. I say this all the time. I be so jealous of my time lapse videos because I'm like, dang, do you know how many heads I could do in one day if I moved that fast for real? Ugh. Sadly, that'll never happen. I'm just very picky and very anal, and I just want it to be perfect. Nothing's gonna ever be perfect, but you can try your best. You can get it as close to that as possible. And I've been wearing my own hair since I was 8, and I had to adjust to doing people's hair, other people's hair, like in front of me and stuff. But I mean, it wasn't hard to adjust. But it's definitely easier. I always say how I wish I could put my head on a mannequin stand and just do it and then put it back when I'm done. It would make my life so much easier, but yeah. I just love watching the process. It's not fun during. I'm excited, but I'm not really having fun. Because I would much rather be sitting, having someone else do my hair. But when you know how to do something yourself, it's kind of hard sometimes to go to other people, especially when you feel like they're not going to do it how you want to do it. So it's better just do it yourself if you're that picky, you know? When you find a stylist you can trust, oof, I know that's gold. Like for me personally, as a stylist, I try my best to treat each client the same. When it comes to hair care, I do not play. You're going to get this wash, you're going to get this treatment, you're going to get this trim every 4 months, and we're going to style your hair exactly how you want it. I'm not going to do my own thing. I'm going to do exactly what you want me to do. But you also can't make everybody happy because not everyone's going to be satisfied with your work. Everybody's not for you, you know? So, and I feel like that's with any business. Not everyone's going to come shop at your store. Not everyone's going to buy your product. Not everyone's going to like what you do. It's just life. But,
All done. Halfway.
yes. Come on. Feeling yourself.
Cat's waiting for the rest. So I'm ready to be done.
Now the top.
Now. So over it. I always get like this when I'm doing my hair. I'm just like, so when are you gonna be done? Because I'm tired. Are you getting the vision? Do I look cute yet?
Yes, come on, girl. Let's get this done. So I do the middle part. I get my CNR Beauty spray bottle from cnrbeauty.net. And I put my edge control on the part and on my edges. And we are back to the ping pong method. Now the edges are you gotta be very careful. You want to grip it, but not too tight where you're slowly snatching it out from the root. And that's why folks walk around here with no edges. And I just don't want to be that person. And y'all be leaving y'all stuff in for too long and that braid be hanging on for dear life. Take her out. Let your hair breathe, sis. That's why folks walk around here with no edges. I refuse to be one. I really do. Like, I need all my edges for when I get old and I'm holding on to each and every strand for dear life. I need them edges to be there. So here we are again, the ping pong method. I do a part on each side. I'm telling you, it saves you time. But I just love this down the middle. I hate how big it makes my forehead look. It is big, but I don't want to bring attention to that. And that's what this style kind of does. But it's still cute on me, so I don't really care. I've just been wanting to do this style forever, and nobody was going to stop me, not even my forehead. So I'm adding my moisturizer as I'm braiding also. Like, I'm not playing at all. I always add my moisturizer in my hair while I'm braiding because nothing's worse than braiding dry hair. That's what you don't want to do is braid dry hair, you know? It's about this part where I start to get excited. I'm like, oh, I'm almost there. You almost there, sis. And the shrinkage is very real. You see when I'm putting my moisturizer in my hair, just how long my hair gets? Absolutely ridiculous. I just love the blonde and the black. Like, I'm gonna do that from now on. Because I like the blonde hair, but I know I can't always do it because my hair overpowers it at the root. What I could do is like an ombre for sure. But this mixture, oh, I'm loving it. So if your hair is as thick as mine's and it's always overpowering the color, no matter how much you tuck it, mix it with some black. It's the best thing. And just about done. Alright guys, thanks for watching.